Hey, what's up YouTube? In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a red statue. And here are all of the materials that we will use throughout the build. Begin by placing 8 black concrete in a row on the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then add another row on top of that row. Then, extending from left to right, place a white concrete, black concrete, white concrete, 2 grey concrete, white, black, and then a white concrete. We now want to make this row 8 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then, for the next row, place 3 white concrete, 1, 2, 3, then 2 grey, and then 3 white concrete. Then, for the next row, place 2 white concrete, then 2 grey, 1 black, and then 1 grey, 2 white. Then, we want to make that exact same row 5 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then, for the next row, place 2 white concrete, 1 red, 2 black, 1 red, and then 2 white. We then want to repeat that row 1 more time. Then, for the next row, place 2 white concrete, 4 black, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2 white concrete. And then we want to repeat that row 1 more time. Then, for the next row, place 2 white concrete, 1 red, 2 black, 1 red, 2 white. Then for the next row, place 2 white concrete, and then 4 black, and then 2 white. That will give us this. With the legs and torso complete, we can work on the arms. Place a row of 4 white concrete extending from the top right hand corner of the statue. 1, 2, 3, 4. Extend that row down by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We then want to extend this end block down by a further 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Place 2 black concrete underneath. 1, 2. Extend the black concrete back towards the center of the statue, and then add a row of black concrete on the inside of the row of white concrete. Extend the top to the left towards the center of the statue, and then add a row of white concrete underneath, followed by a row of black, followed by a row of white. The end result will be this. We want to copy this onto the opposite side of the statue, so extend the top left hand corner to the left by 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then down by 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then extend the very end down by 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Place 2 black concrete underneath, 1, 2. Extend the black concrete towards the center of the statue, and then add a row of black concrete along the inside of the white. Extend the top inwards, then add a row of white underneath the black, black underneath the white, and then lastly white underneath the black. The end result should look like this. With that complete, we can now focus on the back of the statue. Extend the bottom of the statue backwards by 3 rows using black concrete. 1, 2, 3. Extend across, and then join to the opposite corner. We don't have to make full rows. On the back row here, we want to add another row of black concrete. Then, we want to cover the entire leg and body portion of the back of the statue in using white concrete. So we can show this by making a large white rectangle just like this, extending from the bottom all the way up to the top. That is equal in height to the leg and body section on the front of the statue. And all we have to do is fill the back of this in using white concrete. Perfect. Next, we want to extend the arms backwards. We are going to extend the bottom of the hands backwards by 3 rows using black concrete. 1, 2, 3. We now want to copy exactly what we have on the front of the arms onto the back. So I would recommend placing all of the black concrete first, filling the middle sections in using white concrete, and then filling all the way up to the top of the shoulder, and then connecting it forwards like this. And do the same on the opposite side. Next, we are going to fill the left and right sides of the statue in. This is really simple. We simply match the colour that we have on the front of the statue and the back of the statue together in the middle. This is pretty much going to equate to 1 row of black concrete all the way at the bottom for the legs, and the same for the arms. And we of course want to do this on the opposite side also. I feel as though we're still missing something. The head. Begin by placing a row of red concrete on top of the 8 original blocks of the torso. This will leave 4 blocks on the left side and the right side. Then extend that row forwards by 2 rows. We then want to extend the second row up by 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, for the next row, beginning on the left, place 3 white concrete, 1, 2, 3, 2 red, 1, 2, and then 3 white concrete. For the next row, place 2 black concrete, 1 white, 2 red, 1 white, 2 black. And last but not least, repeat the row that we have just made. Perfect. So all we want to do now is, first of all, we just want to copy the ends of this row, 1 row backwards. So just go all the way around the edge of this particular layer of the statue and just add another layer of black, white, and red just all the way around the edge. The reason for this is to make the eyes look a little bit more 3D. With this complete, we can now extend the bottom of the head backwards by 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will overhang the back by 2 rows. We can extend this across, join it forwards, fill this gap in, left at the back of the head, extend the corners upwards and then forwards to the second row of the eyeballs We can also join it together as well, and this will give us a cube shape, which we just fill in completely using red concrete. And there we go, that is your red statue 100% fully completed. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Please do remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you would like to see more. I hope to see you guys in the next one.